Yeah. Hello. Yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kino Rhymes, the co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah. So welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here we just talk about how to make money online, how to start your own online company, and how to do arbitrage and a lot. And I have a class coming up on the 30th of March. That's next month, 30th of March. Yeah, and it's just going out. The ticket is 80 cities. And if you are from a foreign country, that's $7.42. Yeah, so that's the rate of the ticket. Yeah. So, in case you want to learn anything about online business, if you want to make money online, I'm the right person to direct you or show the path. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can earn $17 profits from dollar arbitrage without investing anything or with no capital. So I'll be using three apps to do it. But before I'll start, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, let's grow. Let's grow because like we are doing what the 10,000, 100,000 people are not doing. So, bro says, let's grow fast. Let's grow. So, please, if you're new here, make sure that you click on the subscribe button so that you keep on what's going fast. Yeah. So, today I'll be using Binance, Exness, and this new the Rolex VIP app. Yeah. And disclaimer, I'm not a financial coach. I'm just a student who love making money online. So maybe what will help me will work for me will not work for you. But that doesn't mean you can try. You can try it. So I'm doing this video for education and entertainment purposes. Yeah. So this how I do it. Like I use these three apps. So I think I've done two of these videos. Yeah. But some people were saying that why have you include this platform to this and that? Yo, bro, there is no rules governing making money online. All you want to know is what? How can I make money online? How can I cash out online? You see that thing? That's all you have to think about. How can I cash out online? How can I make money daily online? So that's what I'm here to teach you. Yeah. So I'll be using Binance too. Yeah. So let's start. So these are how I always start it. I always start it from this new apps, and this app they call it investment apps. That's what people call it, investment app. And I will leave all the link in the description in case you want to join and start. Yeah. So this app, there are some ways that you can make money on this app. So the one way is what by investing on this platform and withdrawing daily. So they have their packs over there, they have their VIPs over there and everything. So so if you can recharge it through this platform, like through this. So let me show you how you can recharge it. So when I go to me, you see you have recharge over here. You copy the link, they will send some link, then you copy the link. That's your TRC20 address. Then you go to any platform to what to activate it. Yeah. But in this case, I'm here to show you the free way of this platform. The free way is that me one thing I do is what I use my skills to get what I want. I use my skills to get what I want. So the first one is so there are two ways of making money on this platform. The first one is by affiliate marketing, and the second one is what? By you contacting their their team and telling them that you can help them get so you see this thing. Yeah. You go to their VIP server on Telegram and tell them that yo bro, I can help you advertise this platform and get to let's say 100 people. What will you get? What will you give me, or what will be my commission? So when you tell them, and this one is a new app, so they want new people to join. So when you tell them that, so okay, then do it, and this is the price I would give for you. So first of all, give me, let's say, 20 people, and let me see that you are capable of getting me 100 or above. So when you give them 10, 20 people, they will say like, okay, 20 people, I can activate VIP1 or VIP2 for you, so that every day you'll be drawing, let's say, 10 USDT, or I can send you this amount. So it depends on the agreements you go with them. So maybe this is how I do it. So when I see this app, I'll open it and chat to them, and I'll be like, yo, I can get you, let's say, 200 people within a week. And be like, okay, then how much will you get? Will you collect from us? And I said, no, you activate VIP2 for me. So the VIP2, I will earn $17 every day. Yeah. And this how I make my money. So right now, they have activated the VIP2 for me, and I didn't invest anything in it. No, I didn't invest any money in it. I didn't invest any money in it. Yeah. All I did was what, provide them with my YouTube or Facebook handle for them to know that I'm an influencer and I can what, advertise for them. So that one you can do it without any investment. Yeah. So I did it, and they activate VIP2 for me. So the task, I'll go to the task and perform the task. So today, I hope you all know today's date. So I've already on 13th. So tomorrow is what, Valentine's Day, and I withdraw 12.50 USDT. That's the daily tax, and right now I've let 3 people also join with the premium invitation code. Yeah. So but the normal code is here. That one, if you go to your team, you will see your normal referral code here. Yeah. But if you also introduce, let's say, influence on a platform for them to also advertise the product, they can also get you some money. So I withdraw the money. Let me show you financial records. So I just withdraw the money, and I got what, 17.80. 17 point what, 80. Yeah. So this 17.80, that's where I will use it to get a profit. So I hope you're watching this very, very well. Yeah. And I've already told you, there is no rules in any money online. Just exchange your skills for money. That's it. So this is how I did it. I go to deposit to USDT, and I copy my address instead of that. Then I went back to the platform. I went to withdrawal, and I paste my code over my address over here. So after doing the first transaction, you can't change it again. Yeah. So when I go to my transaction history, you see that today, yeah. So today I've withdrawn what, 17.80 USDT, and I've withdrawn some small coins. Yeah. So when I get this money, then I'll go to Binance, because I can withdraw this money from here. But the rates, they will convert it for me. I don't like the rates, because, like, let's say one USDT, I'll get 12.41. No. So when I go to Binance, one USD, I can sell it for 12.49, and it's still no for me, because yesterday it was 12.55. So if you still think that you can get, if you can wait and get enough profits, you can do it. So at times, this one, 12.49, I will not do it, because I know it can go to 12.60 or 12.70, 12.60 or 12.65 or 12.80 cry. Yeah. Because yesterday it was for 12.55. Yeah, so I will not sell it right now. So this is how I do it. So I will what, deposit the money here. So when I go to deposit, and I go to crypto, so I can deposit the money in my Binance wallet without withdrawing it, without exchanging it on P2P, or without selling it on P2P. Yeah. If you see my recent ones, 10, 10, 10, have you seen it? Yeah. So then it's like I always use the 10, 10 for tutorial sake. I always use this one for tutorial sake. Yeah. Yo. When we show, then I'll copy it. Yeah, move feeble and for you, like me too, or someone for you, see why. Matumola, okay. Sorry. One of my business partners called me. Sorry. Yeah, then I'll copy it. Then I'll go to Exness. Then I'll go to what? Withdraw again. But this time I will not choose. I will not choose Momo. I will choose URCT. Yeah. I hope you're following it. Yeah. Then I'll paste it over here. Then I'll enter the amount I want to withdraw. Let's say 10. Then I'll click on continue to transfer it. Yeah. So when I get the money in my, the reason why I'm not transferring it right now is like the rate on Binance is not. I don't like it. 12.49. I don't like it. So to me, I will not sell it. To me, I will not sell it. But I want to show you how you can sell it. You go to trade. You go to P2P. You go to sell. Then you said it's you said the USDT. Yeah, I've already done videos about this thing here. So that's how it is. So I'll leave all these three in the description. And if you have any information, if you have anything that you want to ask, like you want answer for it, you can chat me and I'll guide you. Yeah, I'm not feeling well, bro. I'm not feeling well. So thank you, and I'm out.